Go Carpet Cleaning in North Druid Hills, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning has years of expertise in cleaning carpets in houses throughout North Druid Hills, with a proven track record for providing exceptional service. We are the only company that specializes in business and residential carpet cleaning, using natural and eco-friendly solutions exclusively. Our products are 100% safe for your family, including pets. We have many happy clients in North Druid Hills and the surrounding areas who rely on our qualified professionals for their cleaning needs. Our experts make it easy for them to get the job done right. Many clients have left us excellent reviews.
We had an excellent experience with Go Carpet Cleaning, and the end result looks fantastic. The carpet essentially looks brand new again. Gal is a pleasure to work with, and was responsive, knowledgeable, professional, and attentive to our requests, which included spot treating particular stains before fully cleaning the carpet, and being very careful of the freshly painted walls as he moved the equipment around. Both of these things were dealt with perfectly. Further, unlike most times we have had our carpets steam cleaned, which is always our preference, we noted that there was no residue or stickiness at all on the carpet as it dried. As an owner and operator, Gal's focus on providing excellent service to produce a very satisfied customer is just something a person isn't going to get with a national chain. Go Carpet Cleaning and the results they produce are top-notch.
Such a nice and professional person. I love the way he communicated with me via calls and text.
Not only do we offer carpet cleaning services, but upholstery cleaning, air duct cleaning, commercial services, and more. Learn about how we can help you beyond just carpet cleaning. Cleaning traffic patterns. Upholstery cleaning. Air duct cleaning. Rug cleaning. Pet stains and odors cleaning. Commercial services. We work hard, and we employ efficient steam cleaning technology to get deep into your carpet's fibers, and into every nook and cranny, allowing us to provide a comprehensive, detailed carpet cleaning service. Are you interested in learning about North Druid Hills? North Druid Hills is also known as Toco Hills, or Briarcliff. It is located in DeKalb County, Georgia, United States. Bordering the North Druid Hills neighborhood is Brookhaven to the north, Decatur to the east, Atlanta City to the west, and Peachtree Creek to the south. North Druid Hills has a thriving economy, and most of the residents are young professionals. The major employers in the city include CNN, Home Depot, UBS, and Bell South. Please contact us immediately if you require assistance with your carpets or any other services. We serve North Druid Hills, as well as the rest of the metro Atlanta area. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/north-druid-hills-ga or call us at 678-818-5698.